Hi, my name is Luke and I'm a digital concierge with Gramophone. You may be asking, Luke, what is a digital concierge? Well, my YouTube friends, my position is all about product knowledge, and today I am here to share my expertise on one product in particular. Now, for years, it has been a struggle to find a decent wireless and hi-fi speaker. Wireless? Hi-fi? Whoever thought you'd hear those words in the same sentence? Well, today that has finally changed, brought about by the wonderful NAIM Mu-So version 1. Getting into some of the features of the Mu-So version 1, first and foremost is the Silk Dome tweeter. This was chosen through listening tests for their much better sound quality when compared to the cheap, usually metal tweeters found in a lot of other wireless speakers. The mid-range drivers on the Mu-So version 1 were selected because they provide crystal clear speech and powerful and emotionally expressive vocals. And we found that by positioning them on the outer parts of the speaker, that you get a much better dispersion as well. The bass drivers on the Mu-So version 1 are ported with a sophisticated tuning system on the ends of the cabinets that provide a rich, powerful bass, but with very little air turbulence, so you don't get any added noise that you don't want. Only detailed, smooth bass delivery. The Mu-So version 1 has a plethora of Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity options, such as Spotify Connect, or just Bluetooth from your phone. But don't worry, we'll get back to some of those specifics later. To wrap up the hardware portion of our review, this is equipped with a 450 watt amplifier that also pushes its signal through a 32-bit DSP engine. If you don't know what DSP does, that stands for Digital Signal Processing. And what that does is it takes your music and optimizes it for the drivers that the product is using. That way you get the best possible sound quality. The NAIM Mu-So 1's design is a wooden cabinet wrapped in a layer of hard anodized aluminum to make a stiff and rigid cabinet. That guarantees you a distortion-free experience. Also, NAIM built two exclusive patents into this device. The first is the beautiful illuminated volume ring, which I will show you in more detail later, don't worry. And the second is the heatsink on the back, which serves two purposes. The first is to just be a heatsink, keep your unit running long all day and cool. And the second is that that's where they actually installed the Wi-Fi antenna, so you have really solid and long-range connectivity. They supply you with a standard black speaker grille, which already looks pretty sharp, but if you want to add a little bit of personal touch, there are available deep blue, vibrant red, and burnt orange grills as well. The volume control on the top of the Mu-So version 1 is constructed of a solid ring of aluminum that runs the entire circumference of the upper touchscreen. And to anyone who also appreciates a solid and responsive tactile feel of their buttons, knobs, and switches, this one's a keeper. NAIM provides an app for the Mu-So version 1 that's available both for iOS devices and Android devices on both of their respective app stores. This app allows you to pick an online radio station, stream music, control your volume, set up multi-room sources, and update the firmware on your product. You can control all of this with just a few simple swipes on your smartphone. As far as the streaming services that are available on the Mu-So version 1, both Tidal and Spotify. And when upon purchase of a Mu-So version 1, Tidal will give you 90 days free of their hi-fi tier. If you've never heard that before, believe me, you need to. We're talking CD quality streaming of almost anything you can imagine right there. But it also features Spotify, which is the most popular streaming service around with the largest library, and its use is absolutely seamless. The Mu-So version 1 is a very capable product all on its own. But NAIM has also built it to be a great complement to their other products as well, such as its little brother, the QB Series Cube speaker, or its bigger brothers, the Unity Smart Integrated Amplifiers, which you can use to drive your own pair of speakers. Syncing up with any of these products, you can have multiple speakers playing the same music beat for beat in the same room, or on the opposite approach, having multiple products in different rooms, each playing different music for a zone 1, 2, 3, etc. experience. All in all NAIM products come together to make a great listening experience. At Gramophone, we strive to give our customers the best quality products at the most reasonable prices, and we have been serving our customers in the Maryland and Washington, D.C. metro areas for over 44 years. Whether you're an audiophile, a tech enthusiast, a potential buyer, or you're just interested in our other videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can stay current and keep updated on all of our current product highlights, interviews, and much, much more. And besides, you'll get to see me again. If you have any more questions about the NAIM Mu-So version 1, please feel free to give us a call or stop by any of our showroom locations, which you can find in Timonium, Columbia, Gaithersburg, or Hunt Valley, Maryland. If you enjoyed this video, please leave us a like and subscribe to our channel, and we want to know what you think. What would you do with a NAIM Mu-So? Do you have one? How do you like it? What do you use it for? Is there anything you guys want to see me review for you? Leave it down in the comments below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thank you.